What a nice day. So I'm going to go for a walk for a bit. What is that teleporter? Very curious. So I'm going to figure out what is this. When Scratch Cat goes to that weird teleporter, he found a creepy place. So what is that place, huh? Wait a minute, is that Suicide Mouse? I watched that creepy pasta in my TV. Hello Suicide Mouse, what happened to you?
My life sucks.
Why?
So my friends Goofy and Donald had a car accident and died. Also Pluto died without any proof and my girlfriend Minnie broke me.
I'm sorry to hear that. Um, I have a question. What do you have in your hands?
Well, I have a syringe.
Wait,
You
what?
heard right. So I will commit suicide.
No you don't.
Get away from me.
Hey, don't go. Hey.
Goodbye, stupid world.
Oh my god. Suicide Mouse died. Well, it's time to return of my world. The end.